Hello everyone, welcome to Web Magnet Hub. In today's lecture, we will discuss about more problems on the option flash fill, like how to use flash fill if you have large set of data like name, surname, age and hobbies. What if you want to concatenate name and surname in column E and there is a distance between column E and column A and B. Okay, so here you can see column C and column D is a gap. So how to concatenate name and surname? For this, you have to write John Smith and select till E10 and go to data, click on flash fill and see the magic guys. See the magic guys. The name and surname is concatenate now. However, there is a distance between cell E and cell A and B. Okay. What if I want to use hobbies and like there is a sentence like John Smith John Smith. Here I will take last sentence and let's see flash fill is working or not. Whose age is 30. Sorry, this is small letter. Okay, whose age is 30. Uh, okay, now it is looking fine. So select till F10, go to data and flash fill and see the magic guides. It's working. Okay. John Smith whose age is 30. John Smith age is 30. Mary Johnson age 22. Mary Johnson whose age is 22. Alex Brown whose age is 26. Sheetal Srivastava whose age is 31. Simran Mathur whose age is 38. Now take some more example. Like if I have a sentence, John Smith, John Smith is reading books and age is 30. Let's see if it is working or not. Select till G10, go to data, flash fill and see guys, it's working. John Smith is reading book and age is 30. Mary Johnson is cooking food and age is 22. Okay. Alex Brown is playing cricket and age is 26. Age is 26. Simran Mathur is writing poetry and age is 32. Simran Mathur writing poetry, age is 38. Sorry. So that is all for today, guys. Hope you like this session. Keep watching and keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe Web Magnet Hub. Thank you.